Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the effects of electric current. So in the effects of electric current we are having the three main effects. So the first one is heating effect, the magnetic effect and the chemical effect. So in this first we are going to see the heating effect. So what is heating effect means? When the electric current is passing through a wire, the electrical energy is converted into heat. So when we are passing the current, then through the wire, then the electrical energy is converting into the heat. So in the heating, some of the heating appliances, the heating element is made up of the materials. So the heating element is made up of with materials with the high melting point. So that heating elements, they will be having a very high melting point. So for this an example, nichrome. So that is the alloy of nickel, iron and chromium. So that is the nichrome. So the heating effect of the electric current that is having in the many practical appliances. So this is used in the many practical appliances like electric bulb, geyser, iron box and the water heater. So these everything we are using in a day-to-day life. So these are all the things based on the heating effect. So the generation due to generation due to the electric current, that is known as the heating effect of electricity. So this is the effects of heating effect. So, next we can see the factors that is affecting the heating effect of current. So what are the factors means? Electric current, resistance, time for which current flows. So this is the three factors. So in first we can see the electric fuse. So what is the electric fuse means? That is we are using for a safety device, which is we are using in a household wiring and many other buildings and the many other places. So why we are using the electric fuse means to have a safety from the electric shocks, or for that purpose only, for a safety purpose we are using that electric fuse. So the electric fuse, that body is that is made up of the ceramic. So that is made up of the ceramic and it has the 2 points for connecting the fuse wire. So that is made up of the ceramic and it has the 2 points for connecting the fuse wire. So when the fuse wire melts, whenever there is when it is getting a melt means whenever there is a overload in the current in the wire, so at the time only the fuse wire will be getting melts. So at the time this breaks the circuit and helps in preventing the damage to the costly appliances. For example, in your home we are having the fridge, AC, then TV. So these are the things we are having the costly appliances. So when it is getting fuse, at the time the appliances should not get cast. So that when suddenly the fuse suddenly the current stops flowing the wire. So this is a circuit that helps in preventing damage to the costly appliances. So in the electrical devices, glass fuse is often used. So this is a small glass tube which lies in the fuse wire. In the fuse wire we will be having a small glass tube that is also used in the electric fuse. So next we can see this is the miniature circuit breaker. In the short form we will be saying as a MCBS. So before we will be using the electric fuse, but nowadays we are using this MCBS. So this MCBS have been replaced the electric fuse. So this replaced the electric fuse from the wiring at the most of the places. So the electric fuse is the biggest practical problem nowadays. So when the wire is fuses, one needs to, for example in the fuse, if the wire gets if fuse went, what we have to do, we have to take the fuse, then we have to change the wire. But in this MCBS we no need to change everything. So if there is any short circuit, suddenly it get off. So at the time we no need to change in this. So more often that this proves that it cannot be a cumbersome task. So miniature circuit breaker, that circuit automatically, one just need to switch on it and reassume the electric supply. So in this on and off only, if there is a short circuit means it will get off, and after that we have to find it what happens, then we can on the circuit. So this is the MCBS. So thank you, students.